Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you nominalization part 2. And you know, the term nominalization refers to the process of producing a noun from another part of speech by adding a derivational affix. And it can be done in 3 ways. Now we shall see some examples. Rewrite the sentences nominalizing the underlined words. The first one has been done for you. Students work diligently to score well in exams. So diligently is what? Adverb. Students work with diligence to score well in the exam. So diligence here is noun form. First one, we succeeded in our attempt. So we were successful in our attempt. So here succeeded is verb, successful is adjective. Second sentence, Neha leads a happy life. So happy is adjective. Now changing into happiness means it is noun form. Neha's life is filled with happiness. Third one, she failed and it disappointed her. So failed and disappointed are verbs. Let's change into noun. Her failure gave her disappointment. Fourth one, the child resembles her father. So resembles is verb form and changing into noun form. The child has a resemblance of her father. Resemblance is noun form. Combine the pairs of sentences given below into a single sentence using the noun form of the highlighted words. Okay. So, he is an honest person. Everyone likes him. So, honest here is adjective. We can change this into noun form. Everyone likes him for his honesty. Second sentence, you see. Satya gave an explanation. The police wanted her to prove it. So prove is verb. The police wanted a proof for Satya's explanation. So proof is noun form of prove. Third one, he speaks well. It attracts everyone. So speaks is verb form, attracts is verb form. How will it change? His speech is an attraction to all. His speech is noun form of speak and attraction is noun form of attract. Fourth sentence, Suresh is always punctual and regular. It has earned him a good job. So Suresh, punctuality and regularity. So punctual and regular in the sentence you will find they are adjectives. I have changed into noun forms. Punctuality, regularity. So Suresh's punctuality and regularity earned him a good job. Fifth sentence, the policeman arrived quickly. It made us happy. So arrived is verb form. The quick arrival of the policeman made us happy. So write the noun forms of the following words. Beautiful is adjective. So, beauty, noun form. Breathe is verb. Breath is noun form. Enter is verb. Entry is noun form. Know is verb. Knowledge is noun form. Deafen, verb. So, noun form is deaf. Zealous, zeal. Familiar, familiarity. Accept, acceptance. Dangerous, danger. More examples we can see now. We have learned how we derive noun forms from verbs and adjectives. Now let us transform complete sentences by converting verbs and adjectives into nouns. In this process, we nominalize them without changing the meaning of the given sentences. This is very essential. We should not change the meaning of the sentence or the tense also. First one, he decided to turn down her request. Decided is verb form. He made a decision to turn down her request. Second one, the team members reviewed the matter. It helped them solve the problem. So reviewed is verb form. The review of the matter by the team members helped them solve the problem. Complete the following sentences using the noun form of the words given in brackets. Okay, first one, the boy had to give a proper explanation for being late. So explain is the verb form. We have changed into noun form. Explanation. Second one, they could make prediction about the future. Predict is verb form. Prediction is noun form. At one point in his life, he had no choice but to trust his friend. So choose is verb form. Choice is noun form. The monuments are to be preserved because of their historical significance. Significant is changed to significance. Fifth one, it is very difficult to work with so many distractions. Distract is verb form, distraction is noun form. Complete the sentences in the paragraph using the appropriate form of words given in brackets. My sister wanted to go to Mumbai last week. She made a decision to buy a ticket at once. As reservation could be done online, she gave preference to book a ticket that way. First, she collected information about the arrival and departure of trains and airplanes. A few days later, second example you see. A few days later, Androcles was captured by his master. He had to suffer all kinds of punishment. At last, he was thrown to a lion which was great in a hunger. It had been kept in an enclosure and had not been fed for several days. His friends stood there with tearful eyes as the lion rushed towards him. The lion stopped near him and stood for a while looking at him. Then it lay down by his side like a pet dog. Obviously, he recognized Androcles and the help he had given it. Now we shall cite some illustration. They are living happily. They are living with happiness. Dry fish is preserved with salt. The preservation of dry fish is done with salt. Birds migrate regularly. Migration of birds is a regular event. The collector declared the local holiday. The declaration of the local holiday was given by the collector. They decided to prepare the dish. They made the decision to prepare the dish. When the train arrived, the passengers got into the train. On the arrival of the train, the passengers got into the train. The police arrested the criminal in Delhi. The arrest of the criminal took place in Delhi. The two boys argued all the time. The argument took place between the two boys all the time. The degree was awarded to the graduates on the graduation day. They award the degree for the graduates on the graduation day. The garbage was disposed. The street got a new look. The disposal of the garbage gave the city a new look. The teacher defined the problem. The definition of the problem was given by the teacher. Sheena was satisfied after having the food. Sheena had the satisfaction after having the food. The college students expected to become great. The expectation of the college students was to become great. What are the reasons for nominalization? Making text impersonal and authoritative. By turning actions into nouns, we make the text sound less personal and more authoritative. We don't use personal pronouns. For example, I, you, he, as much. You should note down these points while nominalizing. Linking words are important. You can use because, due to, used to, as a. You have to reframe the sentences. Thirdly, meaning should not be changed. Fourthly, tense should not be changed. And fifth, check the word that is to be nominalized. So, dear students, hope you have understood nominalization, the usage, the ways of nominalization, and with this, I wind up the topic nominalization. Thank you.